Magic Mike, you cheeky thing.
George Lucas, watch out with your
We
effects.
get a new season and suddenly we get some sound effects.
We can afford one new sound effect a season. That's it.
Are we allowed to play it again? Just to go.
Ready? Yeah.
It's lovely.
It's enchanting.
Hey, listen, in the
It's
first
enchanting.
season we were doing it ourselves. Pew, 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 pew.
Well, you did, didn't you, as a kid?
pew.
Remember when you didn't have any
Oh, yeah.
fancy toys? You had your gun or a stick.
Yeah.
Or a stick.
Yeah.
And you had big debates of, no, I shot you. No, you didn't. Your fingers are pointing that way.
Yeah,
No,
yeah.
I shot you.
Yeah, lie down. Lie down.
Lie down.
So,
You can't get up yet. You have to be dead for longer. Otherwise, the other...
did you used to in
Oh,
Cowboys
yes.
and Indians? Did you play
I
Cowboys
don't, I,
and
don't,
Indians?
I don't think you're allowed to say Indians anymore.